All right, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. I'm back. Got the Genesis RS 38 Honda 2010 3.8. All right, so you can see it right there. This is how you when I open the hood. Just come this way, down here, right there. Okay, latch is right there in the middle. Oil engine cap. It takes 5W20 oil. Here's the oil dipstick. Alright. What else? Got double exhaust. Pipes right there, double pipe. Double cat, double flats, double cat. Here's the oil drain plug, oil filter. You're gonna use a 17mm socket to lose the oil drain plug. Okay, break it loose, then remove it. Pretty dark, huh? What you think? Put in the comment box for me. Let it go. I'm gonna use a 27 socket for the oil filter. Okay. We drain most of the oil. Put the oil drain plug back. Tight it with the 17mm socket. Snug it. Clean after yourself. Move the oil filter. That's dark. Look like dark chocolate holes. Alright, that's the oil ring right there. Okay, we're gonna replace that and the filter. Now this is the filter for the 2010 Hyundai Genesis 67250. Oh, I hate that. I hate to say that number. You know what I'm saying. And China. Shout outs to China for everything it did. Sight. That's a washer for the oil drain plug. Okay, here's the oil ring for the oil filter housing. Now we'll proceed to install the filter. Okay, just like that. Tied it with the 27 socket, 1/2 inch, and the ratchet 1/2 inch. Tied it, snug it, don't break it. For those torque freaks, you can tie it to 35 Newton. Alright. Now we proceed to pour the oil, the 5W20. That's what it says in the oil cap. Alright. Now since this is a 3.8, I'm gonna start pouring first. For 4 quarts. I'm gonna do 4 quarts, 4.5. And then we'll see with the dipstick. We'll see how's the level. Yummy. Okay, so I poured 4.5 quarts of 5W20. This is how the dipstick look like. It's supposed to be here, the oil level by the F. Come here. If you don't believe me, I'm gonna show you in a second. Hold on. Ta-da. See that? This is what I do. Okay, put it back, it's all good. Put the engine oil cap back. You know what I'm saying? That means spray some brake cleaner. It's gonna go away. Blow some air. It's pretty much it. 4.5 quarts regular oil. Alright. 2010 Hyundai Genesis 3.8 RS38 Honda. Yeah, me. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Hope you enjoy. This was a 2010 Hyundai Genesis 3.8 liter engine. Okay, pour 4.5 quarts of 5W20, and that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit, destroy, bang the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this car. Alright, it's coupe, by the way. Okay. Shout outs to my subscribers, and I'll see you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Estuvo por un